There are many scientific discoveries that some Muslims believe are mentioned in the Quran, these verses, and then linking them to modern scientific discoveries. Here are some examples of these discoveries. Embryonic development. The Quran describes the development of the embryo in Surah Al-Mu'minun verses 12 to 14 with astonishing accuracy. Modern science agrees with these descriptions, detailing the formation of the embryo from a drop of fluid to a clot, then to a lump of flesh. The origin of the universe. The verse in Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 30, states that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and then they were separated. Modern science, this aligns with the Big Bang Theory, which explains the origin of the universe. The movement of mountains. In Surah An-Naml verse 88, it mentions that mountains pass like clouds. Modern science, this corresponds with the movement of tectonic plates that cause continents to shift. The origin of life from water. The verse in Surah Al-Anbiya verse 30 says, "And we made from water every living thing." Modern science. Scientists know that life depends on water, and that it is a fundamental component for life. Existence of living beings in the depths of the seas. In Surah An-Nur verse 40, the Quran talks about darkness in deep seas. Modern science. It has been discovered that life exists in the deep seas where light does not penetrate. The role of wines in pollination. In Surah Al-Hijr verse 22, it mentions that wines fertilize the clouds. Modern science. Science recognizes the role of wines in pollinating plants and in forming clouds. The unique fingerprints of every human. In Surah Al-Qiyamah verses 3 to 4, the Quran refers to the restoration of fingertips. Modern science. The unique fingerprint of each individual confirms the uniqueness and arrangement of fingertips. The expansion of the universe. In Surah Ad-Dariyat verse 47, the Quran states that the sky is expanding. Modern science. Scientists have discovered that the universe is constantly expanding. The atmosphere as a protective shield. In Surah Al-Anbiya verse 32, it refers to the sky as a protected ceiling. Modern science. Scientists now know that the atmosphere protects the Earth from harmful radiation and meteors.